In today's video, we'll try to learn or try to make entries of purchase return with GST. We purchased a product of which is 1 plus tab with GST, and now I want to return one quantity of that. So how to I return that purchase and how to put GST on that? For this, come here, gateway of Tally, then go with vouchers, then select Alt F5 for debit note. We have to issue debit note for purchase return entry, and then we have to change the change the mode. So for this, press Ctrl H and then made it item invoice, and then the party I purchased this 1 plus tab from SC, so I will select SC. Nothing to enter. Original invoice number, that is maybe 1, and the date was 01/04/2024. Press enter. All the details are put here. Purchase ledger account will be the purchase. Name of the item, which is 1 plus tab. I purchased 1 plus tab of 5 quantity, and I want to return only 1 quantity, so I will put the quantity 1 and press enter. The rate is automatically taken. Press enter again, then press space bar and select CGST, because I paid CGST and SGST on this purchase, so I will select CGST. Then the next one, which is SGST, so I will select SGST. Those GST entries are putting here. Then press enter. Provide GST details. If you want, made it yes, otherwise made it no. If you made it yes, then you have to put the reason for issuing note and credit note number, etc. I don't want this, so I made it no. Against difference, it will be 1, because we return against 1 our bill of purchase. So I made it against difference, and then press enter. If you want to put narration, put it here, otherwise just press enter and skip this. Press enter, accept. If you press enter, then the purchase return is completely done. So press enter for accept, yes. The entry is complete. So this is for today. Thank you for watching.